So this is same as what we have in ECC. So let's see this. Here, I think this is also almost similar to Miko screen, but somehow the layout is changed. So it's similar to ECC only, no different. Yeah, there we can see overview tree. It is called PO structure here.
Hmm.
So except the transaction is same. Old we have simulate button,
Hmm.
and here we can see vendor data, vendor details. Okay, we can. This shows the balance. Okay, the what balance amount is there. Header data, and we have reference document here to reference PO or other bill of lading those details, and we have option to select layout here, which
Okay.
what data. Yeah, if you want to see some account adjustment data, or if you want to see less data or more data, we can select the layout accordingly. This item overview will show the data.
Okay.
Okay, that is the structure of MIRO screen. So we have option called transaction where we can enter the transactions like invoice, credit memo, subsequent debit or subsequent credit. These are the transactions which are available. Header data where we can see the payment terms and amount, invoicing party. So those details we can see at the header. Assignment we can assign the reference document. Okay, like PO, those details. Invoice items contains what material, what is the amount, what account assignment category. We need to post those value. Okay, those
Hmm.
details will be there. Vendor data shows the so with
Vendor
what
details, both
vendor
bank
we are
accounts and all.
paying. Yeah, we are paying or we are doing the invoice verification. So balance will show the balance whether it's if it is
Nullified or not. Huh?
if it is zero, it shows green button. If there is some warning or some error, it will show the yellow traffic light. Okay, that is the balance. So PO structure, in this we can see the PO history, which are posted
On the left side. Huh?
left side. Yeah. So there is an int. Vendor data is displayed only if you have entered an invoicing party or referenced a purchase order. Okay, then only it will show the vendor data. Otherwise, it will blank.
Hmm.
It shows a blank value. This one. It's the steps they have given. First, you need to select the transaction, either invoice, credit memo, like that. Second, we need to enter the basic data in our data. Then third step is we need to reference a document. Fifth, the details will be occupied.
Hmm.
So then we need to click on this posting OK button,
Hmm.
and yeah, then we can simulate and we can post it. So path they have given Miro path, and the steps, the same step they are explaining here.
Yeah. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So you can also reference several documents. Yeah, in that other than PO.
Delivery note and all.
Uh, so caution: the booking OK indicator in the invoice must not be confused with OK indicator in the goods
The good
movement.
moment.
Migo, yeah, I think Migo also we have that OK
Right.
button, right?
Right.
That
Button.
yeah,
It
that
works.
button functionality and here booking OK functionality is not same. With
Hmm.
booking OK indicator, you can select already checked and processed item. Okay, so it does not have any this one. Okay, in Migo, if we do not check box, it won't allow us to post. Okay, here it is
But
not.
here, even if you don't select, it will
Yeah, it
allow
will
to
work.
post it.
It will. Yeah, yeah, allow. Yeah. We just what the purpose is. If we are checked those line item, then we can select it is booking okay like that. So indicator has no effect whether no items is considered invoice is posted. Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Need to see invoice or
No, no. So
okay, okay. Yeah. Quiz. I think let us.
transaction oriented thing is okay. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yeah, yeah. I think this one invoice, subsequent debit, and credit memo. These three.
Right now. Right.
Yeah. Mm,
The
which
following
of the
data.
following data must you specify when creating quantity contract? Okay, we have to must enter.
Agreement type, and then
Hmm.
supplier. Supplier is a must.
Yeah, yeah. Supplier is must and agreement.
Agreement type, and I think delivery date is not required. I think there must be other things. Uh, is documentation, and then is there any other thing?
Yeah, yeah. Three.
Plant is not mandatory because we can skip plant, right?
Right, right. So as it is a
Supplier,
quantity contract, value is also not required.
value is not
So
required. Supplier
supplier,
is mandatory.
yeah, agreement type
Agreement type is
and
mandatory.
purchase order. Purchase order.
Purchase order is mandatory. Sorry, still purchase orders.
Okay, yeah, can do it. Let us
Yeah.
see. Think.